Lakot ya baro asyakasya lingdo rat kasnong maulam naduk kapor kan arbaji shiteng sngi jong kasantrik uyayong arajar arbusan. Ha kapor nyo baji janmit pat kan sedang ka hausi bumper ha ka baka price kalong sanlak tingka. Kador jong tiket kalong lai spa shi tiket pat kat san spa shi.
Jingkynthoh Menteri Rangba Barim ke Jelam Manipur UN Biren Singh yau liat Purno sang ma lampang Barim ke yang Darbar Tauan Lok Sabha Baru Menteri Rangba Barim ke Jelam Meghalaya kamsyam lapen sengotenat yakin nongelam ke National People's Party. Nalor konrad ke sangma Menteri Rangba Bamenta ke Jelam Meghalaya ubadai rukun jong uliat Purno sangma ublaong bag jingkran ubiran kedai ke bas new box so MLA ke NPP na William Nagar Marcuise and Marak ubadai ru Menteri berkhmi ya katanat PHE ke Sarkar Jela ulat dawa bau Menteri Rangba Barim ke Manipur udai ban Panmab. UN Biren Singh ula kenno bau liat Purno sangma udan ke Jingkynthoh ban pen mensau ha ka ban phia ya ki Jela ka than chitai lammi ngi shaki ba khamret chu shu daga ba pen shong nong rem na ka jinglong kunhon ki judgment reu ha ki Jela ba pher Shwa kane u konrad ulaong ba ka jingkran UN Biren Singh ka long ka ba stew bok da ka ba tan ya ka kerteng uliat Purno sangma ubaji khun na ka banta ki paj ba ka than chitai lammi ngi.
N. Biren Singh, who is a former Chief Minister of Manipur, and he has created the mess in Manipur, which everyone knows it. And now he is putting a blame on P.S. Sangma, who is no longer with us in the world. Totally, this is unacceptable. We condemn it, and I seek an apology from N. Biren Singh. You must seek an apology because you should not put a blame on P.S. Sangma. P.S. Sangma has been an integrity leader. He has been a national leader who has worked for the people of Northeast, for every state, and his principle is to unite everyone together, not to divide each one of us. So therefore, I totally condemn this one on behalf of NPP party Kyrwoh Hills, and I'll seek an apology from N. Biren Singh.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.